What if you never had to manually reply to a support email ever again? Hey guys, this is Tariq. Welcome to Smart AI Workspace. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a fully automated AI email support system using n8n and Gmail completely free. When a new email arrives, the AI reads it, understands what the customer wants, writes a professional reply, sends it automatically, and logs everything to Google Sheets, all without you touching a single thing. And if the email is too complex for the AI, it flags it and alerts your team instantly. Let's build it step by step. Stay with me, this is going to be a game changer. Before we start building, let me show you exactly how this system works so you understand every
Section
step.
1.
Step 1, a Gmail trigger watches your inbox every minute for new unread emails. Step 2, a code node extracts and formats the email data cleanly. Step 3, the AI agent powered by OpenAI 4.1 mini reads the email and generates a structured response, category, priority, sentiment, and a full suggested reply. Step 4, we parse that AI response safely so nothing breaks. Step 5, every email gets logged automatically to Google Sheets, your full support ticket history forever. Step 6, a decision node checks. Does this need a human? If yes, your team gets an alert. If no, the AI reply goes out automatically. That's the whole system. 6 steps, let's build it. Before we touch N8N, let's get our accounts and credentials ready. You only
Section
need to do
1.
this once. Open a brand new Google Sheet in row 1. Type these column headers exactly. Date, from, subject, category, priority, sentiment, summary, needs human, auto resolved. Bold that header row and give it a nice background color. It will look really clean on camera when the data starts filling in automatically. Now, and this is important, copy your sheet ID from the URL bar right now. It's the long string of letters and numbers sitting between D and edit in the URL. Save it somewhere, you'll need it in a few minutes. Great setup is done. Let's open N8N and start building.
Section 3.
Alright, let's open N8N and create a new workflow. I'll name mine Gmail AI Support Agent. Click the plus button to add your first node. Search for Gmail and select Gmail trigger. Now connect your Gmail account. Click Create New Credential. This opens Google's authorization screen. Follow the steps and allow N8N access. Make sure you grant permission to both read and send emails. We need both later. For the trigger settings, set it to poll every minute and filter for unread emails only. This way, the workflow only fires on fresh emails. No duplicates, no processing the same email twice. Click Test Trigger. You should see your most recent email appear as sample data in the output panel on the right. Perfect. That is our starting point. Now add a code node and connect it after the Gmail trigger. This is where we clean and format the raw Gmail data before it goes to the AI. Let me quickly explain what this code does. It pulls out the sender's address, the subject, the email body, the thread ID, and the message ID from the raw Gmail output. Then it builds a clean structured prompt that tells the AI exactly what to analyze and what format to respond in. Notice we are telling the AI to respond only in raw JSON, no markdown, no extra explanation. Just pure data. This is critical. It makes the AI predictable and easy to work with in the next step. Run the node. You should see the formatted output, including the agent input field. That is the complete prompt ready to go straight into the AI. This is the heart of the whole system, the AI agent node. This is what makes everything intelligent. Click plus search for AI agent and add it from the LangChain section. Connect it to the code node. Now look at the bottom of the agent node. You will see connection points for chat model, memory, and tool. We are connecting two of them. First, OpenAI. Click the plus on the chat model point and add a OpenAI chat model node. Add your OpenAI API key free from studio.google.com for the model. Choose Gemini 4.1 mini. It's fast, smart, second memory. Click the plus on the memory point and add a simple memory node. Set the session key to the thread ID from our email data. This gives every Gmail thread its own memory. So if a customer replies to their own email days later, the AI still remembers the whole conversation. That is a seriously powerful feature. Back in the agent settings, set the prompt to use our agent input field. Then in the system message, type this exactly. System message: you are a professional AI customer support agent. Always respond in raw, valid JSON only. No markdown, no explanation, no code fences. Pure JSON only. That system message is your secret weapon. It locks the AI into consistent, predictable behavior every single time. Test the agent, watch it, analyze the email, and return a perfect JSON response. Category, priority, sentiment, needs, human, a full suggested reply, and a one sentence summary. This is the moment the whole tutorial really clicks. AI responses aren't always perfectly clean. Sometimes OpenAI adds a markdown code fence or a little extra text around the JSON. So we add a safety net, another code node that cleans and parses the output reliably every time. Add a code node, connect it to the AI agent, and paste the code you generated from ChatGPT. This strips out any markdown, safely parses the JSON, and if anything fails, it falls back to flagging the email for human review. We never lose an email no matter what. It also merges all the AI data with original email data, so everything flows forward together. Every single email that comes in gets logged here automatically forever. This is your support ticket database. Add a Google Sheets node, set the operation to append, connect your Google account the same way we connected Gmail, paste your sheet ID, select sheet 1, then map the columns. Date to date, from subject to subject, and so on all the way through. For needs human, map the needs human boolean directly. Google Sheets will show true or false automatically. Pro tip: after your first test run, add conditional formatting in Google Sheets. Make urgent rows red and high priority rows orange. It makes it incredibly easy to spot what needs attention at a glance. Now the decision moment: add an AF node and connect it after parse AI response. Set the condition to needs human boolean equals true. This splits the flow into two completely separate paths. True means the email needs a human. We alert your team. False means the AI can handle it. We send the reply automatically. This is the magic of N8N1 condition. Two completely different outcomes running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week without anyone lifting a finger. Now let's wire up the two output paths from our if node. The fossil path: first, the auto reply. Add a Gmail node set to reply. Connect it to the fossil output of the if node. For message ID, use the message ID from our data. For thread ID, use the thread ID. This puts the reply directly inside the customer's existing email thread. It looks like a real human reply, not a new separate email. Set the message body to the suggested reply field from the AI output. Done. The moment a simple email arrives, the AI reply goes out automatically. Now the true path, the human alert: add another Gmail node set to send. Connect it to the true output. Set the to field to your support team's email address. Give it a dynamic subject that includes the priority level and the original email subject, so your team knows it's urgent from the notification alone. In the body, include everything: who sent it, the subject, the AI's category and priority, the one sentence summary, and the full original email. Your team gets everything in one place and can reply directly to the customer's thread. Quick tip: if your team uses Slack or Discord instead of email, just swap this Gmail node for a Slack or Discord webhook node. N8N supports both natively and it takes about 30 seconds to switch. Okay, moment of truth: let's activate the workflow and run a real end-to-end test. Click the toggle in the top right to set the workflow active. Now open a separate Gmail account and send this exact test email. Test AAL. Subject: what are your business hours? Body: hi there, I wanted to know your business hours and if you have live chat on weekends. Thanks, Sarah. This is a simple general question. The AI should categorize it as general, priority low, sentiment positive, needs human, false, so it auto resolves with no human involved at all. Now watch the N8N execution panel. You'll see each node light up green one by one. Gmail trigger fires and picks up Sarah's email. The code node formats it into a clean prompt. The AI agent sends it to Gemini and gets back a structured JSON response. The parse node cleans the output. Google Sheets logs a brand new row. The if node evaluates needs human as false, and Gmail sends Sarah a professional friendly reply automatically. The whole thing runs in about 15 seconds. Sarah got a response. We did absolutely nothing. That is what automation looks like. Look at that Google Sheet date from subject category, general priority, low sentiment, positive, needs human, false, auto results, rate perfect. And Sarah's inbox, she already has a professional reply waiting for her. She has no idea. An AI wrote and sent that in 15 seconds. And that is the complete Gmail AI support agent built from scratch and n8n in under 25 minutes. Think about what this means for your business. Every simple email answered instantly and professionally 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, even while you sleep. Your team only ever sees the emails that genuinely need a human, and every single ticket log categorized and organized automatically forever. This is not just a demo, this is a real system you can have running in your business today. The complete workflow JSON is in the description below. Download it, open N8 and click import workflow, upload the file, connect your credentials, and you are live. If you already have your API keys ready, the whole setup takes about 10 minutes. If this helped you, please hit the like button right now. It genuinely helps this channel grow so I can keep making free tutorials like this for you. Subscribe if you are not already. I post N8N and AI automation tutorials every single week. Drop a comment below and tell me what are you going to automate next. I read every comment and I would love to know what you're building. I will see you in the next one.